I am good. I am good, and I was so looking forward to this. And yeah, you're finally here.
Me too. How are you?
I am well, and I was just thinking that I know how much you loved giving interviews. The other time when we met for Ye Sali Ashiki, and now that we're doing
Yeah,
virtual thingy, do you like this more or do you miss that?
you know, बहुत अलग होता है यार लोगों को मिलना एंड देन वर्चुअली काम करना बहुत अलग होता है. आई मिस मीटिंग पीपल ऑफ कोर्स क्योंकि वो रिलेशन ही अलग होता है व्हेन यू मीट समबडी एंड गिव इंटरव्यूज. ये थोड़ा सा डिस्कनेक्टेड सा वाइब है बट स्टिल कनेक्टेड
Right.
तो ठीक है होपिंग के ज्यादा देर तक ना हो नेक्स्ट टाइम वी मीट एंड डू एन इंटरव्यू.
I know, and it's not very long that I interviewed you. बहुत थोड़ा ही वक्त हुआ है और बस उतने से वक्त में आप
करेक्ट.
नेशनल क्रश बन गई. Oh my God! I've been reading updates and all of that. So, how do you feel when somebody calls you like that?
It's an overwhelming feeling. I'm telling you, Drishti, I have not felt like this in a very, very long time. Like ऐसे होता है ना कि since the time you've entered the industry, you've been wanting that some recognition comes through, even though you've been doing work.
Right.
तो वो अभी फाइनली आया है तो मतलब ऐसा है कि अभी it should not go away.
Yeah, it
But
won't.
it's very overwhelming. Yeah, it's very overwhelming, but I would just say that audiences जो प्यार देती है ना if they like your work, it is incredible. I don't think anything can match up to that love.
Right. And looking at the zamana today, it is very easy to troll people and put negative comments, but you have been safe from all of this jazz. How did that happen? How did you manage to maintain this?
Honestly, I have not had one negative comment after Khudafis is released. Not even one. Not on any social media, not anybody personally calling me and telling me, I do not like you here. Who I am. So I have only received really good comments from everyone and honest comments. Though definitely people said things like we wish we saw you a little longer in the screen and we wish like we wanted to see you more. But for me that is a compliment. Yeah, मतलब अगर नरगिस ने ऐसा छाप छोड़ दिया कि you wanted to see more, so my job is done then. Like I have done justice to the role then.
So लोगों ने ये भी कहा है कि probably screen time आपका उतना नहीं है, but the film revolves around you and they say that छोटा role लेकिन बड़ा धमाका. That's what people are saying. So tell me what.
छोटा बम बड़ा धमाका.
So what are people from like the makers of the film? What are they responding to the work that has come out and turned out to be?
I got a call from Kumarji, I got a call from Farooq sir, I got a call. Basically, we all spoke, Vidyut, all of us we spoke, and Vidyut kept telling me that Khudafis release होने दे, you're going to be a star, is what he used to keep telling me. So, वो सब तो he's already told me, even Farooq sir used to keep saying that, listen, Shalalika, let the film release, the film will talk. And that is what has happened to me. लाइक आई पर्सनली फील कि अगर रोल छोटा हो या बड़ा हो उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता व्हाट मैटर्स इज क्या रोल छाप छोड़ता है that is what has happened. This character is a true example of that. And why I was really happy with this film is because the entire film revolves around her. So there is that power that Nargis has even though she does not speak too much.
So this film, everybody says that obviously this was supposed to be a theatrical release and it deserves to be there. Now that people have watched it, they're like, "Yeah, theater wali hi film hai." But knowing the fact that circumstances are like this and we had no other choice,
Yeah.
we accept what people say. But then how do we feel is what we want to know. When you got to know कि okay, अब ऐसा होने वाला है.
Honestly, I'll tell you, like, मेरे लिए तो अभी theatrical release शुरू हुई थी यार.
I know.
This have been the second time I would have gone to a theater and kind of, met people who are watching the film, asked them reviews in person and seeing what their reaction is. I miss that. But जैसा time चल रहा है, I feel that this decision of the film releasing on the OTT was the best.
जो ऑडियंस रीच रही है, द अमाउंट ऑफ पीपल हु हैव सीन दिस फिल्म इज इनक्रेडिबल. मुझे
Nice.
याद है जब ये फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी, जो रिस्पॉन्स मैं चाहती थी कि थिएटर और इन पर्सन मिले, मेरा फोन बजना बंद नहीं हो रहा था 7:30 के बाद.
Wow.
So I'm so happy. I was like कि मतलब ये तो immediate response हो ही गया है ना वे. People had started putting up pictures. People had started clicking pictures of me on screen and started uploading and tagging me and saying so cute, so cute. People have been saying girlfriend चाहिए तो नरगिस जैसी, मुझे मेरी चाहिए बस. Imagine. So now these are the things that I've been hearing and I've been feeling God, like it's amazing. It's a beautiful feeling.
Okay, tell me,
Yeah.
it's been 6 months now that we're stuck at home and it is crazy. So are you now used to it? Now do you think you're going to have a problem going out?
You know, honestly, I feel that as an actor, जैसी मेरी जर्नी और जैसे आउटसाइडर्स की जर्नी होती है, एक्टर्स वैसे भी जिंदगी में लॉकडाउन नहीं रहता जब तक कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं मिलता.
हाँ.
उनके लिए क्या है, they have to sit at home. They're sitting at home half of the times till you get another job. Like all you have to do is go out, give your auditions, and come back. So that is the only thing. So as an actor, people have been sitting at home only. ज़्यादा difference नहीं है, but I do feel the difference because recently सबसे ज़्यादा काम आना शुरू हुआ था जब से डेब्यू फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी. So that is something that I miss. But I have not stepped out at all during the lockdown. मतलब मैं तो घर के बाहर एक्चुअली निकली नहीं हूँ. ऐसे था कि मतलब मैं अपने शेल में बंद हो गई हूँ एंड मैं एंजॉय कर रही थी ये टाइम. To be very honest, because you don't get so much alone time, so much family time. हम इतना busy रहते हैं काम में कि हम actually भूल जाते हैं कि हमारी जिंदगी में family life जैसा कुछ चीज है. I don't think in this industry people really realize कि family time is something.
Yeah,
तो
yeah,
मुझे लगता
yeah,
है कि
absolutely.
वो नहीं हुआ था एंड उसकी पूरी कसर पूरी हो गई है लॉकडाउन में. And now everybody is like बस हो गया, अभी बाहर निकलो. But yeah, all precautions have been taken. There are sanitizers in every room, every corner, every even now because unlock चल रहा है, though people have started again stepping out. Obviously deliveries हो रही है, people are coming home for work and everything,
Yeah.
electrical work and all. हर जगह मतलब हम लोग सैनिटाइजर लेके ही खड़े हैं हर जगह घर पे भी. बट यू नो इट्स नाइस. आई फील लाइक दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड आई थिंक हाइजीन को लेके लोग अभी
इससे पहले कोई हाथ नहीं धोता था.
imagine. I was just telling my sister कि यार I think life has completely changed and luckily जो सब लोग hygiene बोलते थे, अब hygiene होगा.
Naturally,
You know,
yeah.
and everyone should roam around with sanitizer. Yeah? Like that is something that should be like irrespective of whether there's a lockdown or no.
Yeah.
Sanitizer should be a part of your bag.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah, we've
product.
done that segment with you. I'm very well aware of it. Also, today I read this post. This coronavirus thingy started off in Wuhan, okay? And today I read this post everywhere on social media that Wuhan wale na pool party kar rahe, ek bada sa pool party. There are so many people, and I'm like, हम घर पे बैठे. What is happening? So how would you react to that? I can't hear you. हाँ हाँ. थोड़ा अटक
You can hear me?
हाँ अभी ठीक हुआ.
It's fine ना?
हाँ अभी ठीक हुआ.
ठीक है अभी? हाँ. नो इसके लिए मैं ये कर रही हूँ कि बस मतलब हो गया अभी जितनी मुसीबत आनी थी दुनिया में हो गई है अब बस. We don't want we just need to come back to normal.
I know,
बस
man.
अभी
I know. अच्छा, also tell me, see, there are two kind of people that I've met. One actor जो होते हैं वो completely अपना whole and soul acting में डाल देते हैं and they just want to do that. There's nothing that they look beyond. And the second type of people who always have a substitute career with them or something alongside. So आप कौन से category में हो फिलहाल?
Honestly, I think beginning when I was entering the industry and I was starting to audition, मैंने almost 100 से ज्यादा ऑडिशंस दिए होंगे। तो मम्मी ने हमेशा मुझे बिगनिंग से ही बोला है कि एजुकेशनल बैकअप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो ग्रेजुएशन तो कंप्लीट करनी है, तो वो मैंने लकीली मम्मी की सुन के कर तो ली मैंने। बट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, बैकअप जैसी कोई चीज रखी नहीं है, आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट आई डिड नॉट कीप इट। नहीं तो मैं हमेशा एट एवरी स्टेप ऑफ रिजेक्शन आई वुड हैव फेल्ट लाइक ये नहीं चल रहा है तो ये है। आई लकीली डिड नॉट हैव दैट एंड आई एम हैप्पी कि वो नहीं था, ताकि मैं उतना ही हार्डवर्क दे सकी। तो मतलब जैसे मैंने बोला कि 100 ऑडिशंस दिए हैं एंड यू नो देयर हैव बीन रिजेक्शंस, नॉट ऑल डेज हैव बीन गुड डेज, यू नो। तो लोग ऑफन सोचते हैं कि यू नो ये नहीं तो ये तो है, ये नहीं कर रहे हो तो ये कर रहे हो, तो योर माइंड गेट्स डाइवर्टेड इन टू थिंग्स इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग योर होल एंड सोल टू वन थिंग. So luckily I had no backup and this is all I've done and I'm happy यार कि मतलब जो भी मेरी जर्नी रही है, जैसी भी रही है, जितना भी स्ट्रगल, जितना भी हार्डवर्क करना पड़ा है, वो मैं एटलीस्ट आज बोल सकती हूँ कि मैंने जो भी पाया है वो अपने दम पे पाया है. That is it. I am very happy about that and I'm happy for all the struggles and all the goodness that I've received till now.
Also, I'm just asking this because it's such a happy, lucky day that I've met you, and I also read another very good news today that you know the Supreme Court has agreed on the CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput. And how do you feel right now? You know, क्योंकि इतना unity, इतना prayers, इतने protest एक इंसान के लिए सबने मिलके किया है इस country में, and out of the country as well.
Yeah, worldwide. I feel this is a big day for all of us, his fans, his family, his friends. The kind of unity that people have shown now, that is why we have actually got this verdict, to be very honest. लोग 2 महीने से लगातार ये चीज, ये बात चलती आ रही है हर जगह. कोई like I remember posting anything and वो नीचे at least एक कमेंट आता था CBI for Sushant. And I honestly used to feel happy that there are so many people who have not backed down. It is very important to stand by the right. And मुझे लगता है कि अभी truth definitely should prevail. There should be honesty. There should be some kind of closure for his family and friends. यार, like I honestly feel so bad that you deserve to know the truth.
Absolutely.
And I feel like वो अभी like there should be speculations जो बंद होने चाहिए and there should be only truth coming out and the proper evidences being found and everything. वो सब investigation होनी चाहिए properly and I feel definitely I think we all of us have faith in CBI and they are going to do their best. So fingers crossed, the wait should not be that long. Hopefully, जितना लोग अभी तक रुके हैं, hopefully people should find their closure ASAP.
Absolutely, absolutely, and very well said. Also, I'm going to ask you this thing also ना, मैं आजकल ये 5 महीने जो बैठी हूँ ना घर पे, I started to get some good questions in my head because this lockdown has taught us so much actually, you know. But I understand one thing about actors, their job is the toughest. Why I feel is, suppose we have stress, depression, anxiety, कुछ भी होता है, but when you guys reach on your set, you have to flush it out. You'll have to just snap out of it and give it your all. Whereas we as regular people, you know, अगर हमको रोना आता है तो हम just रोना शुरू कर देते हैं. It's okay if we don't, you know. Stuff like that. So what kind of mental practices does it take to be that strong? You know, it could help us also.
You know, honestly, it's very difficult because as an actor, we are always playing different roles. We have to snap in and snap out of a role. Be yourself with your family. Otherwise, your family is going to think like, what is wrong with you? He alag banda hai. Like for me, it was very difficult to snap out of, you know, the first character and get into the character also. ये बहुत difficult character था ये साली आशिकी में. So, and I feel कि I'm happy that, you know, I gave him that much time to get into the character and then I came out of the character also very nicely. So all I did was that meditation, yoga, working out helps a lot. बहुत help करता है. People don't realize that it's more like a stress buster. Like not even going to the gym. I'm not saying go to the gym, but at home कोई भी exercises करोगे ना, whatever you like, you can do like on spot running, you can just run on your staircase की building की staircase, बाहर playground में कर सकते हो, कुछ भी करो, but you should allot yourself at least 20 minutes of your day to give into your body. I'm telling you, during lockdown, I think a lot of people have faced anxiety, depression, and you know कि काम नहीं है, financial crisis, वो अलग ही stress है. I feel this is something that has really, really helped me particularly to kind of keep my calm. And moreover, I think people just need to understand that these are things that sometimes are not in our control.
Yeah.
So to go with the flow is something and not plan and prep everything.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you need to let go, and if it is very, very severe, like a depression that is going into a very severe zone, then the person should definitely seek medical help. It's very important. At least today, I know a lot of people are facing it, but they yet don't know that they are. तो जब तक बहुत बुरा नहीं हो जाता तब लोगों को पता चलता है ओ आई शुड हैव टेकन मेडिकल हेल्प. जो इनिशियल स्टेजेस में ले लो ना तो बहुत बेटर इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है लाइफ में, एंड यू नो यू कैन टेक प्रिकॉशंस अर्ली इन लाइफ. So I feel like working out has been a great stress buster for me at least.
Wow. So do you believe in signs? Do you believe in the universe giving signals? Because that sometimes like जैसे आप मुझसे अभी meditation की बात कर रहे थे, मेरे को काफी लोग है ना, काफी लोग बोलते जा रहे हैं, काफी मैं जहाँ फोन भी खोलती हूँ तो मुझे वही दिखता है. So I feel like it's a sign. So do you believe in these kind of signs?
I believe. You won't believe it कि in the past 2 months I've been constantly seeing 11:11 on my phone. Constantly, day and night. Constantly, and I truly believe it's not only me, even my Khudafis ka director believes in this very strongly. I remember एक बार मैं फोन पे बात कर रही थी उनसे, and he just randomly goes like, शिवालिका 2 minutes, 2 minutes, check your phone. तो मैंने बोला कि maybe send something on text or he sent me some picture or something about the film. Check किया तो 11:11 था. We both went quiet for that 1 minute.
So they you know a lot of people say that you know 11 is a very powerful number. अगर वो आपको दिखता है, is there anything more to it that people should know?
It's recurring, na. It's more like an angelic number.
Okay.
If it's a recurring number, na, it's even more stronger. So any number that is constantly like एक बार देख लिया, that must be coincidence. But when you on a daily basis open your phone or wherever you are, like I have seen car, maybe if I'm passing, I'll randomly see 1 2 3 4. I'll randomly see 11 11 2 2 2 2. You know these things like numbers are good numbers, like they mean something good in life. And moreover, apart from this, I feel for me, destiny has played a very important role. Like what you constantly give into the universe is what you keep getting back. I remembered when I bagged ये साली आशिकी, उसके बाद मैंने सोचा था कि I just hope मुझे दूसरी फिल्म में इतना struggle नहीं करना पड़े. And to be very honest, and मेरा dream था हमेशा से कि being an outsider, there is some kind of uncertainty. अच्छा होगा if I get my second film before my first releases. This is what I had thought. And I had luckily 8 months to audition before my film released, ये साली आशिकी. And तभी खुदाफिज आई मेरे पास. So I have been really, really happy. Like I feel like whatever I've been trying to put into the universe is definitely coming back to me.
Wow. Also talking about ये साली आशिकी, जब वो रिलीज हुई थी ना, of course जिन्होंने देखी उनको बहुत ही पसंद आई थी, बट काफी लोगों ने देखी ही नहीं थी, कि काफी लोगों ने, जो कि बाद में जब टेलीविजन पे आई और अब OTT पे आई, मेरे YouTube पे, Google पे रिव्यूज आने लग गए, this is a must watch, top 10 underrated films and this and that, and I mean I was like wow, how did you react? यार अभी at least देर आए दुरुस्त आए.
This was my reaction. मेरा reaction यही था कि at least better late than never if you were to see. कि honestly on my end I feel कि मैं almost 3 दिन गई थी theater ये साली आशिकी देखने के लिए. There was close to no occupancy यार. मतलब people did not really come to the theater to watch the film. And जो मुझे लगा था कि मेरी कल से life change होने वाली है, मेरी film theater कुछ ज्यादा चेंजेस नहीं आए, उतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ी दूसरी फिल्म के लिए. एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, पीपल हु रिव्यूड द फिल्म ना, क्रिटिक्स एंड ऑडियंसेस जिन्होंने देखा उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी बातें की फिल्म के बारे में.
Yes.
Moreover, they definitely felt that my debut did not look like a debut. So for
Yeah.
me, that meant a lot. Like I was happy with that. But the असली recognition जो मिलना चाहिए था ना, वो OTT पे आने के बाद मिल गई वो फिल्म को.
जी.
Underrated actors of 2019, इनको ये मिलना चाहिए था, इनको these people deserve this. This film should re-release in theaters. ये सब बोला गया है. तो I was like कि मतलब इतना प्यार शायद से अगर थिएटर में दे देते तो बात
कोई
अलग
नहीं,
होती.
लेट्स सी, पब्लिक डिमांड पे आजकल चीजें सुनी जाती है, तो यू नेवर नो.
I'm so happy that the audiences have changed after that. यार दृष्टि, I feel like ये लॉकडाउन में लोगों ने एक्चुअली खुद के ऊपर इतना रिफ्लेक्ट किया है ना, एंड इतना कुछ बोला गया है, लोग सुन रहे हैं कि मतलब टैलेंट नीड्स टू बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड. मतलब बहुत इग्नोर किया है रियल टैलेंट को, एंड बहुत दे नॉट रियली पेड अटेंशन टू गुड फिल्म्स एंड यू नो विद न्यू पीपल, द एंटायर स्टार कास्ट बीइंग न्यू. So now I think जो खुदाफिज को प्यार मिल रहा है ना, वो यही वजह से मिल रहा है क्योंकि सब लोग बहुत ज्यादा टैलेंटेड है, बहुत एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, बट उनको वैसा रिकॉग्निशन जो मिलना चाहिए था वो नहीं मिला आज तक. तो लोग उतना प्यार दे रहे हैं अभी खुदाफिज को.
Also,
So,
you
it's
very
good.
correctly said that your debut did not look like a debut initially, and I don't know कितने लोगों ने आपको ये बोला होगा. Your goosebumps देने वाला scene where you know you're in tears and you look into the mirror and then you give a evil smile, suddenly a twist in expression, and I was like, this girl is something, man. You know, how many people have told you about this particular scene? Tell me.
This scene was supposed to be a little longer, and I had practiced for it like crazy. मुंह धोने वाला scene you're talking about, ना?
Yeah,
जो
yeah.
she
रोते रोते
in the-
जाती and then she smiles evilly.
the longer scene, and I had prepared for it for two entire month, 2 months. That one particular scene, and I have like all the reels with me. The director has all the reels. It was supposed to be like she's washing her face, and when she comes up, people think she's crying. When she comes up, she's smiling and laughing. That was the thing. But मैंने still variation दिया, and they thought that variation was better to be put up. And a lot of people have told me. My only thing after the film released was कि लोगों को typecast नहीं करना चाहिए.
हाँ.
For me as an actor, like it should not become like you know she does gray shades only well. So that is, I was very happy when Khudafiz came to me and I was like, चलो अभी ये देख लो. ये भी
अभी
है.
अलग है, ये अलग है totally. Is there anything?
It's a complete character.
Yeah. Also, is there anything else that you've already signed for? You have to tell me, okay, this time. थोड़ा तो hint देना है.
नहीं, जब भी sign करूंगी, I will definitely do a proper announcement because I think everybody is looking forward to knowing what am I doing next after Khudafiz.
Yeah.
बहुत सारी interesting scripts आई है after Khudafiz के release के बाद. तो मैं इतना हिंट दे सकती हूँ, बहुत कुछ आया है एंड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कंटेंट है. होपफुली थिंग्स विल वर्क आउट क्योंकि थोड़ा सा तो स्लो है लॉकडाउन की वजह से. थिंग्स आर नॉट कंप्लीटली वर्किंग एज पर यू नो नॉर्मल टर्म्स. सो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, बट जब भी कुछ भी होगा आई विल डेफिनेटली से. बट देयर आर इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स कमिंग माय वे.
Lovely, I'll be waiting. Also, you know, lastly, because we are from the same field, Bollywood is seeing really dark days nowadays. You know, a lot of people are, you know, at the target. A lot of people are fighting with each other, and कोई feminist बोलता है, कोई fake feminist बोलता है, कोई कुछ. So, is there anything that your heart wants to say to everybody, to the people who are watching this? Anything that you want to say?
I honestly feel like बहुत negativity है already ये दुनिया में. Kindness and positivity would go a long way for everybody. And like I said, कि I truly believe what you put into the universe is what comes back. So if you are positive, positivity will come back to you. And honestly, I feel right now, जैसे condition है, I think people really need to help people. People are easily going into depression. So we should not be reasons of putting people into depression, you
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
It should be more like you heal somebody. And that's all I would say, yeah. Otherwise, I think ये लॉकडाउन में काफी चेंजेस हुए हैं. पीपल हैव बीन गोइंग आउट ऑफ द वे टू हेल्प द नीडी. So I'm happy that there are certain changes being taken already, and a little bit more of kindness and positivity will go a long way.
Okay, then. So, no, I'm not going to take a lot of your time. Just last question. How did you find this interview?
I loved it. I loved it.
I
It's
know.
amazing. It's amazing speaking to you, Drishti. Like, I've really enjoyed all our chats from Ye Sali Aashiki ke time se.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm so happy that we spoke and this interview happened.
So, on this note, every time you break out about your upcoming projects, you're going to do this interview with us first.
Pakka.
Okay, you break news with us.
Pakka.
Pakka,
Done.
pakka. So,
Made.
yeah, so on that note, I'm going to give it a wrap and I'm going to tell you that I love you. It was lovely speaking to you, yeah, and thank you for answering everything that I asked you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's amazing speaking to you. Lots of love to you and lots of love to everybody watching this.
Yes, and all the best. See you soon.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.